Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning show. I'm so happy you're here because today we're learning something super useful. 25 money words. These are the words people use every day when they talk about work, banks, bills, or planning their future. Understanding these words helps you feel more confident in English and smarter with your money. So grab your notebook and let's learn these important words together. Income, money you earn. Fun facts. Income can come from many places, such as a job, online work, or renting out a property. Worldwide, income often increases as people gain more education, experience, or skills. Expense. Money you spend. Fun facts. The expense most people struggle with is housing expense such as rent or mortgage payments. Tracking every expense helps you understand where your money really goes each month. Budget. A plan for income and spending. Fun facts. A budget works better when every budget category has a clear limit you follow. Many people save more money when they use a simple digital budget each week. Savings. Money you keep for later. Fun facts. Savings grow faster when you send your savings automatically to a separate account. Most people use their savings for emergencies, large purchases, or future goals. Debt. Money you owe. Fun facts. Debt becomes easier to manage when you pay more than the minimum debt payment. Many people reduce stress by paying off their highest interest debt first. Loan. Borrowed money. Fun facts. A loan usually includes interest, so the total loan amount you repay is higher than what you borrowed. Before approving a loan, banks look closely at your loan repayment history. Interest. Extra money you pay or earn. Fun facts. High interest debt grows quickly because interest gets added to previous interest. Your savings can earn interest too, which helps your money grow automatically. Credit. Money you can borrow up to a limit. Fun facts. Good credit gives you better loan rates because lenders trust your credit behavior. Using too much of your credit limit can lower your credit score even if you repay it later. Credit score. Your financial trust rating. Fun facts. Your credit score improves when you make every credit score-related payment on time. Checking your credit score regularly helps you understand how lenders view you. Investment. Money put in something to grow. Fun facts. An investment grows in value when the price of that investment increases. Every investment carries risk, but a good investment also brings possible reward. Profit. Money you gain after costs. Fun facts. A business uses profit to expand, improve products, or hire more workers. A company can have high sales, but still have low profit when expenses are high. Loss. Money you lose after costs. Fun facts. A new business often experiences a loss before it begins earning steady profit. A loss helps business owners identify where they should reduce expenses. Inflation. Prices rising over time. Fun facts. Inflation makes your money weaker because inflation raises the cost of everyday items. Even small inflation reduces how much your money can buy over many years. Asset. Something valuable you own. Fun facts. An asset can be physical, like a house, or digital, like an online business. Building your asset list increases your long-term financial strength. Liability. Something you owe. Fun facts. A liability reduces your net worth because every liability must be repaid. Paying off a liability early helps improve your financial situation. Equity. How much you truly own. Fun facts. Equity in a home increases as you pay down your mortgage. Investors gain equity when they own part of a company. Net worth. Assets minus liabilities. Fun facts. Net worth increases when your assets grow faster than your liabilities. Many people track their net worth yearly to measure financial progress. Dividend. Money paid to shareholders. Fun facts. A dividend provides steady income because the dividend comes from company profits. Some investors choose companies mainly for their reliable dividend payments. Capital. Money used to start or grow a business. Fun facts. Businesses use capital to buy equipment, hire staff, or launch new products. Capital can come from personal savings, bank loans, or outside investors. Revenue. Money earned before expenses. Fun facts. A business with high revenue can still fail if its expenses are too high. Growing revenue often shows that a business is attracting more customers. Cash flow. Money moving in and out. Fun facts. Positive cash flow helps a business pay its bills and stay stable. Many companies with good profits still fail because of poor cash flow. Installments. Paying something in parts. Fun facts. Paying in installments helps people afford large purchases over time. Missing installments can lead to extra fees and increase the total cost. Mortgage. A loan for buying a house. Fun facts. A mortgage often lasts many years, which makes the mortgage easier to repay gradually. Paying your mortgage on time builds strong financial history. Tax bracket. Your tax rate level. Fun facts. Higher income can move you into a higher tax bracket, but only the top part of your income is taxed at that rate. Understanding your tax bracket helps you make smarter money decisions. Pension. Money you receive after retirement. Fun facts. A pension offers steady income when you stop working permanently. Many workers build their pension through monthly contributions during their career. Before we go, if you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with a friend who's learning English. And tell us in the comments, which money word was the most useful today? We love reading your comments. They motivate us and help others learn. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for spending this time with us. Goodbye, friends.